ಅನುದಿನ ಅನುಕ್ಷಣ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ. ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಹೊಸ ಹಾದಿಯಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಹಾಕೋಣ. ಸಂತಸದಿ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes, sir. Yes, teacher. Present, ma'am.
Hello children, hope you all are fine. Once again I welcome you to Samveda E-class, that is class 4th, subject English, part 2 of 3, first unit household articles. In that unit, second topic, the naughty onion. So myself Tahira Sayyed, working at Government Urdu Higher Primary School, Idapnur. So in today's session, we will learn about names of various vegetables, new words from the lesson, then concept of the lesson and exercise. Children, here I will show you a video, then you have to watch it carefully. Later I will ask some questions, you answer me that question. The video clip is used only for educational purpose, not for commercial.
Categories. Will you please name some names of vegetables such as tomato, be quick, capsicum, be quick, potato, be quick, radish, be quick, onion, be quick, beetroot, be quick, cauliflower, be quick, chilli, be quick, lady's finger, be quick, ridge gourd, be quick, cucumber, be quick, bitter gourd, be quick, ginger, be quick, bottle gourd, be quick, carrot, be quick, pumpkin, be quick, drumstick, be quick, mushroom, be quick, peas, be quick, beans, be quick. Oh, I didn't get it.
Did you enjoy the video? Very good. Now let me ask some questions. So the first question is, name any 4 vegetables from the video. Yes, very good. Good. Next is, which is your favorite vegetable? Very good. Mine also. Next, which vegetable make you cry while cutting? Good. Once again the same question. Which vegetable make you cry while cutting? That is the onion. The onion bring tears in everyone's eyes. Okay. So dear children, first I will read the lesson. You open your textbook and see in your book. Okay. You don't read the lesson, just watch in your book. Gopu went to the market. He bought a kilo of onions from the vegetable seller. Some were big, some were small, some were really tiny. Some were pink, some were red and some were almost white. He put them in a large paper packet and kept them in a corner in the floor. He was very tired. Knowing that nobody was at home, he went to the living room, sat on a sofa, switched on the air conditioner and soon fell asleep. Once again I will read the lesson, watch in your book. The naughty onion. Gopu went to the market. He bought a kilo of onions from the vegetable seller. Some were big, some were small, some were pink and some were red. Some were almost white. He put them in a large paper packet and kept them in a corner on the floor. He was very tired. Knowing that nobody was at home, he went to living room, sat on a sofa and switched on the air conditioner because there was nobody in the home, and soon fell asleep. Okay. Now let us learn the new words from the text. You have to underline those words. First word, that is naughty. Naughty means causing trouble. A person who troubles others just like a kid is called naughty. उर्दू में हम उसे शरीर कहते हैं. बहुत सारे बच्चे अपनी शरारत से सबको तंग करते हैं, जिसे इंग्लिश में naughty कहा जाता है. Next word is market. A place where people sell and purchase. जहाँ पर सामान खरीदा और फरोख्त किया जाता है उसे हम बाज़ार कहते हैं, जबकि अंग्रेज़ी में a place where people sell and purchase is called as market. Very good. Next word, tiny. Small means छोटा, tiny means very small. Here you can say the car is very small. बहुत छोटा. टाइनी का मतलब क्या होता है? बहुत छोटा. कॉर्नर. दिस इज कॉल्ड कॉर्नर. अ प्लेस वेयर और एंगल वेयर टू एजेस मीट. जहाँ पर दो सिरे मिलते हैं उसे हम कोना कहते हैं. अ प्लेस वेयर टू एजेस मीट वी कॉल्ड इट एज कॉर्नर. नेक्स्ट वन इज वेजिटेबल सेलर. अ पर्सन हु सेल्स वेजिटेबल्स इज कॉल्ड वेजिटेबल सेलर. वेजिटेबल सेलर मीन्स सब्जी फरोश. जो इंसान सब्जी फरोख्त करता है उसे हम सब्जी फरोश कहते हैं. इन इंग्लिश ही कॉल्स वेजिटेबल सेलर बिकॉज ही इज सेलिंग वेजिटेबल्स. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन, टायर्ड मीन्स ड्रेन्ड. अ पर्सन हु कांट वर्क और कांट डू एनीथिंग इज कॉल्ड टायर्ड. उर्दू में हम इसे कहेंगे थका हुआ. जो बहुत सारी मेहनत करके काम करके थक जाते हैं इसे हम टायर्ड कहते हैं. एयर कंडीशनर. एयर कंडीशनर इज एन अप्लायंस विच कंट्रोल रूम टेम्परेचर. ऐसा आला जिसकी मदद से गर्मी में सुकून के लिए सर्दी या ठंडी हासिल की जाती है उसे हम एसी कहते हैं. इन इंग्लिश इट इज़ कॉल्ड एयर कंडीशनर वेदर इट मे बी कूलर और एसी. Okay. Dear children, now let us understand the lesson. The naughty onion. Gopu went to the market. Okay. He bought a kilo of onions from vegetable seller. Here in this picture you can see Gopu had been to market. He is bringing onions to the house. So she is the vegetable seller having various types of vegetables. Okay. Now let me check your comprehension. I'll ask you a question. How many kilos of onion did Gopu buy? Very good, very good. Gopu bought 1 kg or 1 kilo onion. Very good. Let us move forward. He put them in a large paper packet and kept them in a corner on the floor. As you come to know what is called corner. Corner means where the two edges of wall meet. So he put them in a large paper bag. Even government is also instructing us not to use plastic because it is dangerous for us. Through this lesson, the government want to give the message that whatever we buy from the shop, we have to get it in the paper bag. और else बहुत सारी दुकानों में आजकल कैरी बैग्स नहीं दिए जा रहे हैं क्योंकि प्लास्टिक के नुकसानात से हुकूमत हिंद हमें बचाना चाहती है. हमें चाहिए कि घर से अपनी थैली लेकर जाएं या फिर पेपर बैग्स में लेकर आएं. आप तमाम बच्चे हैं, अभी से आपको इन चीज़ों का ख्याल रखना चाहिए. प्लास्टिक डिस्पोज होने के लिए 250 ईयर्स लेती है, जिससे हमें हमारी ज़मीन की ज़रख़ीज़ी वग़ैरह ख़त्म हो जाती है और इससे पोल्यूशंस बहुत सारे आलूदगियाँ हो रही हैं. So he put it them in a large paper packet and kept them in a corner on the floor. Even though he was a servant, he was not educated, but he also used paper bag to bring the onions. गोपू पढ़ा लिखा न होने के बावजूद प्याज के लिए पेपर बैग इस्तेमाल किए. तो हमें भी चाहिए कि जब भी दुकान, मार्केट या बाज़ार वगैरह जाएं तो अपनी थैली साथ लेकर जाएं या फिर पेपर बैग्स अवेलेबल हैं इनका इस्तेमाल करें. सो ही वॉज वेरी टायर्ड. धूप में चलकर आने के बाद हम लोग बहुत थक जाते हैं. सो गोपू वॉज ऑल्सो टायर्ड. नोइंग दैट नो बडी वॉज एट होम. गोपू जानता था कि घर पर कोई मालिक नहीं है, कोई नहीं था, तो इसीलिए गोपू ने उसका फ़ायदा उठाना चाहा. ही वेंट टू द लिविंग रूम. लिविंग रूम में जाके sat on a sofa, then switched on the air conditioner, soon fell asleep. जैसे ही वो धूप में थका हुआ आया था, लिविंग रूम में जाकर एसी ऑन करने के बाद उसको बहुत अच्छी नींद आ गई और वहीं सोफे पे सो गया. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं हैव अ स्नैप. हैव अ नैप मीन्स दोपहर की जो नींद की जाती है थोड़ी देर के लिए उसको नैप कहा जाता है. सो लेट मी आस्क यू सम क्वेश्चंस. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज who went to the market? So very good. Who went to the market? Gopu went to the market. Good. You listened it carefully. Now from whom did he buy? कहाँ से प्याज कहाँ से खरीदी? तो गोपू ने प्याज कहाँ से खरीदी? वेजिटेबल सेलर के पास, यानी सब्जी फरोश के पास. How were the onions? प्याज कैसे थे? So answer me children. Very good. The onions were, some were big, some were small, some were red, pink and almost white. You can observe these onion colors in your home also. Next, where did he keep them? गोपू ने प्याज लाकर कहाँ पे रखे? In a corner on the floor. Floor यानी ज़मीन. So गोपू जो प्याज थे वो लाकर कॉर्नर कोने में ज़मीन पर रख दिए. Okay. Where did he sleep? Can you tell me? Very good. He slept on a sofa. He slept on sofa. Now match the words given in list A with the words given in list B. You have to match these words. Okay. Onions. Find the answer. Gopu. Vegetables. Fell asleep. So how were the onions? Onions were very good. Good. Right answer. Onions were red and white. How was the Gopu? He was tired. Very good. Next, vegetables. Where we buy vegetables? Good. We buy the vegetables from the market. Next, fell asleep. Then who fell asleep? Where did Gopu fell asleep? He slept on a sofa. Here you can find answers. First answer is onions, red and white. Gopu, he was tired. Vegetables, we buy the vegetables from the market. Then fell asleep. He slept on a sofa. Okay. Let's move to the next activity, that is very long. Okay. We have to, dear children, do you know WH questions? WH questions start with WH. You can observe WH. Okay. See. So look at the pictures. Choose the correct question word given in bracket. So here are the gaps. We have to fill them with WH words. Okay. First one is dash is this. So words are there: what, who, how many, which, where, when, whose, why, how. First let us know the word what, who, how many, which, where, when, whose, why, how. Okay, the first one is dash is this. Whenever we use the articles, we use the word what. What is this? For the objects we use what. What is this? This is a computer. Here it is a computer, it is a object, that why we are using what. So dash do you go to school? We want to ask how do you go to school, sir? Dear children, do you know WH words? Very good. The words, the question starting words which are start with WH, like always they are used as questions. Here we can say maximum of questions start with WH words. These words are there: what, who, how many, which, where, when, whose, why, how. Which are WH words? Here list is there: what, who, how many, which, where, when, whose, why, how. Okay. Let us solve the activity. Okay. First a picture is there. Dash is this. The question we can frame is what is this, and the answer is computer. Okay. What is this? This is a computer. Next one. Dash do you go to school? What doesn't suit there? Who doesn't suit there? How many? We can't write there. It will be wrong. Which, where? Nothing is suiting. So here we can write how do you go to school? Now that is correct question. How do you go to school? The answer is by bus. Next one. Dash is this. There is a person. So for person we can't use what? What is used maximum for the objects? What is this? Means we can't, it is wrong. We can't use what. So we can write who. Who is this? The answer is he is a boy. The boy is standing in the picture. So we have to use who. Who is this? He is a boy. We use who for the persons. Okay. Next, there are so many toys. We want to know which is your toy. So we have to ask which, यानी कौन सा. Which is your toy? Dice. Dice को उर्दू में पासा कहा जाता है, जो कि यहाँ पे है. Okay. Next is where is the vase? It is on the table. The vase is on the table. Next, dash is baby laughing. How is the baby laughing? The baby is laughing happily. बच्चा कैसे हंस रहा है? खुशी से हंस रहा है. Next, dash time do you wake up in the morning? So the question word is at what time do you wake up in the morning? Answer is at 6 AM. आप सुबह में कब जागते हो? At what time यानी कितने बजे? Dash phones are there. So whenever you count the things we have to use how many. How many books are there? How many pens are there? The things which can count 1, 2, 3. We can count mobile phones. That's why how many phones are there? Here you can see there are 3 phones. Okay. Dash books are there. How many books are there? Even we can count these books 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many books are there? There are 5 books. Let us know the Urdu meaning of these words. Okay. What means क्या, who, कौन, how many, कितने, which यानी कौन सा, where कहाँ, when कब, whose किसका, whose does it belong to यानी ये किसका है या किससे belong करती है. Next, why means क्यों, how means कैसे. So let's move to the next activity, that is fun with the words. Dear children, here is a list of words. So you have to prepare yourself some of sentences, okay, with the help of bright, happy, loaded, large, flying, pretty, around. Here is an example. The sun is bright. How is the sun? The sun is bright. सूरज हमें रोशनी देता है, बहुत रोशन है. So let us make the sentences. The children are happy. How are the children? Happy. Just see the example and make the sentences. The road is large. Large is there in the brackets. Okay. Next, bird is flying. यानी परिंदा उड़ रहा है. I am happy. मैं खुश हूँ. Next, look around and find the ball. All sentences are there in the bracket. First one, bright, happy, loaded, large, flying, pretty, around. Okay. The sun is bright, सूरज रोशन है. The children are happy, बच्चे बहुत खुश हैं. Road is large, road जो है बहुत लंबी है, दूर तक है. Bird is flying, परिंदा क्या कर रहा है, उड़ रहा है. Next one is I am happy, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. Next, look around and find the ball. Around means अतराफ, अपने अतराफ देखकर बॉल ढूंढिए. Next, go to the next. Arrange the jumbled letters in meaningful word. These are jumbled words. They don't give complete full meaning. Okay. Now make it meaningful words. First one IGB. We can't read it. Okay. We can make the meaningful word as BIG, big. Next one DRE, no meaning. We can make the word RED, red. Next UPOG. It's not giving meaning. So GOPU, Gopu. Gopu was a servant. DOOF, FOOD, food. GONL, LONG, long. BIG, big यानी बड़ा. Red, सुर्ख रंग. Gopu, Gopu was a servant in the lesson. Then food, food यानी ग़िज़ा, long, लंबा. The next is fill in the blanks with suitable letters. Here is a complete word. We have to put only one letter in these words. Okay. First one is DUST, dust. BIN, bin, dustbin. Second one MAR-ET, MARKET, market. Very good. Third one LOOK, look, good. Fourth K-TCHEN, KITCHEN, kitchen. Next ONI-N, ONION, onion. Okay. Dustbin, कूड़ादान. Market, बाजार. Look यानी देखना. Kitchen, बावर्ची खाना. Onion means प्याज. Okay. Dear children, now let us move to the next activity. That is, look at the picture given below. Frame at least 5 questions. We have to frame 5 questions with the help of this picture. Okay. So here is an example. What is the girl doing? The girl is playing with the ball, with the dog. So no need to answer, just we have to write questions. Okay. First question. Okay, very good. Read it. Who is playing with the ball? With the help of this picture, we can make 5 questions. First question is, who is playing with the ball? Next, how many cups of tea are there? There are 2 cups. Okay. How many cups of tea are there? Next, can you tell me any question? Yes, very good. Where is the mother sitting? Here you can see the mother is sitting on the sofa. So we can prepare the question like, where is the mother sitting? Next, which is the color of bag? The girl is having a bag. So we can make a question like, which is the color of bag? Next, who is standing near the door? The sister of the girl is standing near the door. Okay. Let us read the questions once again. Who is playing with the ball? How many cups of tea are there? Where is the mother sitting? Which is the color of bag? Who is standing near the door? So these questions are prepared with the help of WH words. Okay. Now let us move to the homework. Dear children, your today's homework is write at least 2 vegetable benefits of any 4 vegetables. Write at least 2 benefits of any 4 vegetables. So you have to write 2 benefits each of every vegetable. Okay. First one, you can write any of your favorite vegetable, then second, third and fourth. So in the next session, I will check your homework. Thank you one and all. Myself Tahira Sayyed, Government HPS Urdu Idapnur, Taluk and district Raichur. Stay safe, take care, wash your hands frequently.
Anudina